Today is March 31st. What happened to you, Ponyo? Like, why did you... I'm at my sister's house in Calgary. So Amber doesn't know that I'm here. I'm gonna watch her doing her play at school, and she will perform tonight. She will be surprising me here. So right now I'm at my sister's house, and look, sisters, this is sisters activity, doing TikTok, doing something. And this one is so excited to see me today. Oh my gosh, Ponyo! You're so excited to see Auntie? Oh, tututo pupus. Auntie loves you? So the girls doesn't know your hair that Auntie is here, but they know that Uncle Mike is here because Michael is working, and he bought the ticket for me to just see the girls. It's a surprise. Yes. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. We're just doing vlog, okay? I don't know. I'm just like vlogging. I'm vlog, vlog, vlog. Poposh. Oh, my sister also is TikToking. TikTok. This is Ponyo, my sister's dog. And I believe Sita is in Ponyo's body. Day, you have to sleep. Just leave me alone here.
Yeah, I was sleeping.
So last night I was just like working, closing shift until 10. And I got home 10:30, I think. And then watching TV, and then I slept like around 1 and wake up at 2:30 to be in the airport at 4. Then our flight was at 6. It was delayed because we had no, it was like pouring rain. I don't know why we were delayed. So I really don't have enough sleep, but actually it's okay because Ponyo is with me. Look at this kitty pie. Okay, bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.